Go Scooby!
We came in search of dinosaurs, but we bit off more than we could chew.
The Lost World, Jurassic Park.
We were tracking raptors in...
For all viewers who follow this network, it has been confirmed that there is a potentially extraterrestrial entity on American soil. The latest sighting occurred in Flatwoods, West Virginia. If you see any unusual activity near you, call +1009 SOS immediately, before it's too late. Thanks for your patience. Have a good day.